What if you don't know the answer? What if the panel asks you a question and for the first time during your defense, biglang nagblanko ang isip mo? First rule, don't panic. Second rule, huwag kang mag-imbento ng sagot just to look confident. Hindi ibig sabihin na kapag hindi mo agad alam ang sagot, unprepared ka na. Sometimes, you simply need a few seconds to process the question. So anong gagawin mo? Option 1, kung hindi mo naintindihan ng question, clarify. Huwag kang manghula kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng panelist. You can respectfully say, may I respectfully ask you to clarify the question? Or, if I understood the question correctly, are you asking about? That's actually a smart move. Why? Because you are making sure that the question you are answering is the actual question the panel intended to ask. Mas okay na mag-clarify kaysa magbigay ng mahaba pero completely unrelated ni answer. Option 2. Kung alam mo ang idea pero hindi ka 100% certain, ito yung situation na may idea ka pero ayaw mong magbigay ng information na hindi ka sure. Don't pretend na 100% certain ka. You can say, I am not entirely certain about that specific point, but based on our study, what we can establish is, then explain what your data, methodology, or literature actually supports. Notice the difference. Hindi mo lang sinabing, I don't know. You are showing the panel, this is what I know, this is what our study supports, and this is where my certainty ends. That sounds much more professional. Option 3, kung lampas sa scope ng study ang question. This one is important. Hindi lahat ng possible questions can be answered by your research. For example, if your study only focused on a specific population, variable, or context, you shouldn't suddenly make conclusions about something you never investigated. You can say that particular aspect was beyond the scope of our study. However, based on the evidence we gathered, we can establish that, then explain what your research can actually support. That's much better than making a claim na wala naman sa data nyo. Remember, don't make your study say something it never investigated. Option 4, kung talagang hindi mo alam. And yes, sometimes, honestly, hindi mo talaga alam. And that's okay. You can professionally say, I am sorry, but I am not able to provide a definitive answer to that question at this time. I would need to examine the issue further to give an accurate response. Mas professional yan kaysa, I don't know, sorry po. Or worse, mag-imbento ng sagot. Because once you give an unsupported answer, the panel can easily follow up with, what is your basis? And now, you are in a much more difficult situation. Thank you, everyone!